Today I'm showing you how to make a super soft and easy chocolate cake. You'll need 3 eggs, 1 cup flour, 1 cup oil, half a cup sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Vanilla essence. Let's begin. First, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. I already sifted mine twice more off camera for extra softness. In another bowl, add the egg whites and start whipping until foamy. Gradually add the sugar and whip until thick and stable. Now add the egg yolks and vanilla essence. Mix well. Then pour in the oil and combine. Add the dry ingredients slowly and fold gently, don't overmix. Line a baking mold with baking paper, pour the batter in, and tap lightly to remove air bubbles. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, then bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Mine took about 35 minutes. When the toothpick came out clean, the cake was ready. Let the cake cool completely. It turns out super soft and spongy. For decoration, I mixed powder cream with milk. You can use any whipping cream. I added a little pink color for a nice pink theme and topped it. Topped it with chocolate garnish. And that's it, our soft, delicious chocolate cake is ready.